Yo, dog, Kenny Boucher here, Next Level Painting. Let's talk about my new promotion on Patreon. This is my crowdfunding page. This is how we keep the lights on. If you ever watch those videos on YouTube and you wonder, how does this guy even get paid? It's this. This platform has allowed me to pay my bills over the last few years, gain a little bit of flexibility, and create new content and interact with sponsors. We have hundreds of videos already in existence. You can scroll over to here, Patreon/Next Level Painting. But here's the deal, guys. We have a new tier. For $10 or more a month, you gain VIP access and the ability to vote on our colors, minis, and techniques. That's going to be at least on a monthly basis and maybe a bi-weekly basis for our studio content. If you already support me at support me at $6, just switch over to 10. If you're already hitting me up at over 10, don't do anything. Just sit back and vote. I'm very excited about this. It was a long time coming, but now we're at a place in our business that we can actually do this. We can actually do a little bit more what the audience wants with our techniques. So like I said, guys, navigate over, hook a brother up. Anyway, play on, players.